Hello everyone, and welcome to the daily webinar, weekly market outlook. Today we will have a deep discussion about Forex and crypto setups. And first, I would please you if you can, hello everyone, and welcome to the daily. Sorry for that, there was some noise. Please, guys, if you can comment in chat that everything works fine. So those who are watching me on YouTube, please use the chat there. Those who are watching me on TradingView, watch the chat also there. Use it. Don't feel afraid. Okay, we're here to discuss. And first, we will probably start with the Forex experts. Let's see who is online there with us today. Okay, perfect. So sound is great on TradingView. YouTube is also working well, so this is good. So guys, first I would love to ask you if you guys, those who are trading the crypto, are you guys trading with leverage crypto or are you spot traders? Because if you are spot traders, we will watch only buy stops. If we are leverage traders on the crypto, we will watch both directions. Can we start with crypto? Depends how many people are there. So usually we start with the Forex because a lot of people are there for Forex, and that's the reason why we usually start with the Forex. But let's see who is interested for the crypto. Okay, so let's use the vote like we did always. Those who are for the crypto, to start with the crypto, type in the chat Forex. Those who are for crypto, type in the crypto. Okay, it's simple. So if you are for Forex, type in Forex. If you are for crypto, type in for the crypto in the chat. Okay, so we will see what would you like to see the first, and then we will start. I don't know, Marian, what's going on, but that may be on your side. I don't know what should I do. Everything looks fine there on my side. So maybe you have to lower your voice a little bit and then maybe better. Okay, just check it. Or maybe it's just too loud. Let me just decrease it a little bit. Okay, so maybe something like that is even better now. So if you guys will have any noises or the sound will not be okay, let me know. Use the chat. Okay, I will quickly fix it. So guys, is it okay now? I have changed something. Let me know. Okay, so let's start with the Forex and then we will go with the crypto. Okay, so those who are there, okay, perfect. So now the sound's supposed to be okay. People are saying that everything works fine. So let's start. First, we will start with the Forex pairs, okay, and then later on we will have a watch on silver, crypto, sugar, oil, US30, SP500, and so on. And at the end we will watch the crypto. Okay, so those who are there for crypto, let me know how you are trading. Are you a spot trader or you are trading a crypto with leverage? Okay, just type in the comments in the live chat so I will know what to do. If there will be much more leverage traders, we'll watch the different list. Okay, so I have prepared a different list over there, so we will change it. Okay, so people are saying when I go on TradingView you sound normal, but on YouTube I have some I don't know. Maybe the YouTube is having some problems because once I start the live stream, the YouTube has some problems. So that may be on the YouTube side. If TradingView works, perfect. So those who are having the problems on YouTube, switch to TradingView. On the TradingView, seems that everything works really well. I don't know why YouTube is not working. Maybe there is some problems. Okay, so guys, those who are on YouTube, quickly switch to TradingView. Okay, so I will post the link. Okay, in the comment you will find the link on the TradingView stream. So just simply switch to it. It will be better. Okay, because people are on TradingView have no difficulties hearing me. Okay, spot only because I don't know how to use leverage. Okay, so spot traders are there. It sounds fine. Okay, so thank you for the confirmation. So yes, let's go. Let's start now with the Forex, and those who are trading with leverage or spot, let me know. Put the comment down there so I will know what we will watch. Okay, at the end. So let's go. DXY, what we are anticipating DXY to keep on pushing lower. Okay, so why? What is the reason? The reason is the higher time frame. Okay, so the higher time frame is the reason. As you see that we've been forecasting this movement, we've been forecasting to break the top, and we started forecasting this downside movement. Okay, so this is the reason why we are watching for the downside, because there is the nice flag which is showing the price will continuously pushing over to break this low. Okay, so we need to break this low on the dollar, and this is the reason. Yeah, we are having the confirmation now that we will start pushing lower. So what we have to do on lower time frames, we will just have to follow the flags. Yeah, just Marian, just switch to the TradingView. We will not discuss and watch what is the problem with YouTube. That's gonna take up too much time. Okay, so I don't want to waste time there with the YouTube. If it doesn't work, let's switch. So DXY, this is what we will do. Okay, so we will be following the sell stops all the way to downside. Okay, so keep on searching for the sell stops and all the way down to 88. Okay, so 88 will be our target. There will be a lot of corrections on this way to the downside, so just simply follow them. Okay, it's easy. And those who are first time there and they don't know what we are doing, we are trading on wave analysis, so we are forecasting every single movement. If you don't know, and if you want to know how we forecasted on the YouTube or TradingView, watch the previous recordings. Okay, you will see that we've been forecasting this movement, and now we are forecasting this movement. Okay, so everything has been forecasted. So yeah, just simply watch it and you'll see how that works. Okay, you will learn something definitely. Okay, and if you have any questions, feel free to use the chat. I'm here to answer all your questions. So let's go. Aussie USD, what we can have over there. Aussie USD can go to the upside. Okay, the reason will be the dollar. Okay, dollar will help to push it higher. So as you can see, this, let me give you the bigger picture. Okay, so that could be a nice flag there. Okay, so nice flag which will keep on dragging this pair to the upside. Okay, so how big correction can get? Okay, so the correction can get all the way back to the trend line and it can still drop down. Okay, so that's the reason, but we have to trade this single, and this is every single movement. Okay, so there was some buy stops on Friday, sorry. So on Monday, what you have to do is, if this corrects there, try to take another trade, and another trade. Okay, so just keep on buying. If this turns break down correct, then just simply take the sell. Okay, so that's gonna be the easy trade. Aussie usually behaves really nicely, so it won't be hard to catch it. But what will be our target? Just to push it all the way back to the trend line. Okay, so 1 hour time frame, that is where you will find the setup. So this pull back, going higher, pull back, going higher, pull back, and it can drop down. Okay, so once it will reach the top, it will go down. So follow those flags to the upside first, and then we will watch for the downside. But the other Aussie pairs, the other Aussie pairs are looking like a sell. Okay, so they look like a sell. Aussie and this will break down at any time soon, so I don't recommend you going for this buy. Okay, so rather ignore that buy. So what you have to do, wait for the break, wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Wait for clear breakout, wait for the correction, and then take the trade to the downside. Okay, so can we see any buy there? No. Okay, so buy will be only available if this comes back, and then one more back. But this trade will be like, once you get in, you have to take your profit. Okay, so new high, take your profit. Okay, then you will get in back again and take your profit. Okay, so you always have to take profit on Aussie pairs this week. Okay, so every buy that which you will take, you have to take off your profit, because this is not gonna be the long-term movement. Okay, it's gonna be just the short term. This is the maximum what you can get out of this week from the buy. Okay, but sell is what you definitely wanna take. Okay, so everyone needs to be in the sell once it will give you the sign. So hello, Marian. Welcome back. So yeah, let's see, let's move on. Aussie Chief, what we're also having there is, that's not the move which will break to the upside, at least not yet. Okay, so what it can do, it can struggle, but the main wave and the bigger wave will be to the downside. Okay, so the move will be the similar like this one, so you have to catch it. Okay, so let's say like that, rather skip all the buy. Okay, so ignore the buy on Aussie USD, ignore the buy on Aussie Yen and Aussie Chief. Okay, no buy, just watch for the sell stops. Okay, it's way better, bigger money is there, so that's the reason. Okay, so let's say like that, no one of you should be buyer there. You all need to put some focus on the sells. Okay, so start focusing on the sell. Wait for the clear break, wait for the correction, and then you will be taking trade. Same there, you can see Aussie and Aussie USD, let's say the same. Okay, so ignore this buy. It's gonna be the short term, so it's not worth of taking it. Skip it. Okay, so rather wait for the sell stops. Okay, so Aussie cat same there. Okay, so Aussie cat will be the same over there. This will go down at any time soon. Just have to wait. Okay, so there one more buy can appear over there before the big sell will appear, and before we'll take the sell. This could be a nice running flat over there, as you can see, guys. This could be running flat, and for the last push to the downside. Okay, so one more leg lower to hit that bottom. Okay, to complete this structure. I don't see that this will break to the upside. Okay, so at least not yet. Okay, there's no momentum, and this kind of momentum cannot break out. Okay, so at least not yet. If this breaks and if it will give you the confirmation, yeah, then we can say yes, it will go higher. But for now, let's stay for the downside. Okay, watch for the sell stops. Also, in New Zealand, this pair is the only pair which is non-tradable. But what you can see, this will go back at the top, this top over there, yeah, it will give you the flat, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, so I don't recommend you taking any trades on the Aussie New Zealand. So currently it's non-tradable. Okay, so it's non-tradable, and it is just struggling. New Zealand USD, same there. It went up on Friday, and it can still give you some buy. Okay, so same like Aussie USD, this one can also do something like this during the week, and then for one more high, and then we'll start pushing lower. Okay, so this is the behavior which we will see in the upcoming week. Okay, so this kind of the behavior, and then we'll be going to the downside. Okay, so if you still see and if you still think that you can take the buy, yeah, why not? Okay, so why not? Let it go back. Okay, let it go a bit deeper. Don't take trades there at the top. So pulling back and then take the trade. Okay, so this will be the trade which you can take. So get in, get out with the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio probably. So yeah, you can go for this move. But what you don't want to miss is this sell. Okay, this sell is what you don't want to miss. Okay, so easy. Hope you guys are understanding what we are doing. Okay, just don't watch the one single direction. Be dynamic. Watch the charts, read them correctly, and follow it. Okay, so just trade in the direction what they are telling to you. Okay, it's just simple. New Zealand yen, what we are having over there, same there. Okay, so it will just correct one more high. Easy. Can it break out of the structure? Possible, but I don't see right now. Okay, so I don't see this. But then this will be the completed running flat. First raise the downside, and yeah, then it will go to the upside. We'll see basically. Okay, so just try to take this buy. Okay, consider taking that buy, and you'll see if this momentum will be really strong, then it will break to the upside and you'll have a nice trade. If not, then it will stop somewhere there, taking over profit, and then you'll watch for the sell stops. You'll be keep on selling all the way back to the previous low. Okay, it will be simple. You just have to be patient enough to wait for the setup before you will be triggering the trade. Okay, so just don't simply open your trades because someone said something. No, you always have to wait for the setups. New Zealand cat, nothing to trade there. Okay, it's still the confusing one. So what you can have over there is going down, tagging this low, going high, tagging this high, going low, breaking this low, and then going up totally. Okay, so we can expect or we can see New Zealand cat staying for the sideways. Okay, so sideways is what we can anticipate for the New Zealand cat. Sorry. Okay, I will tag it. So this is where we will have. This is where the New Zealand cat will be moving in the next upcoming month. So if you're skilled enough, yeah, why not to trade it? Okay, it will be simple. What it can also do, okay, so you can see something like this, getting to the running flat, going higher, breaking this top, then going lower, breaking this low, and then to go to the upside. Okay, so this possibility also exists. So you just have to be open and see all the patterns that are appearing or showing there on the charts. Just follow them, okay? Probably you won't be able to take that sell, but definitely you will be able to catch that buy. Okay, this one will be good. And sell also. Okay, so sell is also giving us some opportunities. Some nice money will be there probably, and you'll be able to catch it. Okay, so guys, are you still with me? Are you understanding everything what I'm saying? Am I going too fast? Let me know. So those who are there only for the crypto, let me know on what are you trading. Are you only a spot trader or you are trading with the leverage on crypto? Okay, so these are the informations that I need so that I can create and make good webinar. Okay, and those who are also interested to join us, feel free to go to the website tradewithmaster.eu and choose the membership that fits with you. And after finishing the payment, which is for the lifetime access, of course, I will add you to the group and I will give you the access to the educational videos. Okay, so you also will have you will also have a daily webinars every day and daily setups where we are discussing about trades. So far, so good. Okay, so perfect. This is what I'd love to see. So let's go. New Zealand Chief. New Zealand Chief, what we are currently having over there is, yeah, it's trying to push higher. So on lower time frame, what we are having, this can go higher. Okay, so this can correct, going higher, break down for one more, go high, and then drop. Okay, so running flat can appear there in the middle of the correction to push for one more high, and then it will start pushing lower. Okay, so easy stuff. EURUSD, what we're having there will be the buy. Okay, so the buy will appear probably, because we know the DXY will go for the downside. Okay, so the best pair with the dollar is USD. Okay, so I believe him a lot. So yeah, you can watch for the buy stop and you can easily go for this buy. It will be a nice money. Okay, this move is what we are anticipating. There was something happening on the Friday also. There was the running flat which pushed higher. So here it is, went up. So what you can do and what the others have to do is just wait for the flag and take the trade. Okay, so this trade will be pushing higher and it's a nice opportunity. Okay, so this all the way back at this time. Okay, so why not take it? Okay, just simply go for it. Wait for the flag, take the trade. Easy. Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie has already break down, so you won't be able to catch any trade at the moment. So what we have to do, let me just give a quick look. So I didn't prepare the chart for now. Okay, so I just have to have a quick look. Okay, so yeah, this is the correction. We are still in the big huge correction. Yeah, we will be selling. Okay guys, just watch for the sell stops. If you catch it somewhere there or there, you did a good job. You're a nice profit. Just protect yourself with a break even. The others who are not in, you didn't miss anything. Just wait for the correction and take the trade. Okay, take the trade and you can keep on selling until you have a sell correction, so you can keep selling. Okay, so sell, 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 sell. Okay, keep on selling on those corrections and push it to the downside. Okay, then move. It's nice over there, so why not to be in this kind of the sell? Okay, nice sell. It's setting up basically. Here GBP will probably go for one more lower, tagging this low, giving you some flat, going for one more high, and then we'll have to decide. But yeah, buy is what we'll watch in the upcoming week. So just give me a quick tag over there. So here it is. Here's what I do anticipate this to break lower, breaking the low, and then pushing higher. Okay, so follow it. This sell will not be tradable, so don't try to focus on that sell. This sell, it's not good, so don't go for the sell. Buy it's what you need to focus on. Here chief, there is the nice running flat over there. Also we break the bottom, so nice running flat. What you have to do for you guys is wait for flag. Okay, 1 hour flag it's enough, and take the trade. Okay, take the opportunity to the downside. We will at least break this low. So yeah, watch the 1 hour time frame, what we are having over there. There was lower degree correction. Okay, so 5 minute correction was there on Friday, as you can see. Okay, 1 2 3, there was a correction trying to push lower. So if this goes for one more correction, then yeah, you can join. Why not? Okay, wait for the correction, join, and take your profit around the previous low. Easy trade for there. Here New Zealand went down already, so yeah, you can keep on following with the sells. So if this stays there, going higher, take this high, and then going lower. Let me move more than them. If this goes back at the top, take this high, then yes, you can go to sell more. Okay, so this will be the expanded flat. Which one will be what will happen? Just keep an eye on it, guys. Okay, so keep an eye on it. Let's see how it develops before you will take any trade. But this will be the movement. Okay, so this will be the movement. Can it break down? Let's see. Yes, this is completed correction. Okay, this is the completed correction, and this trade can easily break down. So let's see where we are at the moment. Let's see the weekly, what we are doing currently. Yeah, we can go easily back at that line. So why not to take the sell? You have to take every sell. You'll see how far it goes. It can even break, and you'll have a nice trade. Okay, you have a really nice trade. So keep an eye there. Watch for the sell flags. Don't miss out. Rio Yen. This probably hit the top and it will reverse the downside, so don't go for the buy. Rather wait for this sell over there. The sell is not ready yet. I mean, I will delete it, it's just confusing us, so yeah. going higher, break those tops, and then can still turn to the downside. Okay, so this could still be some kind of running flat, and this going lower. Okay, this to plays out in the next week. Keep an eye there, watch only for your sell stops, ignore the buys, focus on the sells, and that's it. Simple. Zero cat, same there. This one to keep on pushing lower. So what you'll have on lower time frame, if you already take the sell, you did a good job, but it can still pushing lower. Okay, so those who are not in, okay, those who are not in from the top or there, let it drop, let it correct, take the trade. Okay, so keep on selling on the correction. Feel free to join it, join with us all the way back at the previous low. It's where is your target. Okay, so keep your eyes on. This could be quickly. Okay, so once the market will open, if it opens with some kind of the gap, and then on Monday, if it stays there, then yes, this could be a nice trade all the way down, and you have to watch it. Okay. Pound Aussie, this one is going already. We are totally at the top where we are heading to. We are heading back at that line. Okay, so this is the minimum 1 to 3, and we are heading all the way down. What we can have there is just some kind of the correction and more downside. It can be even bigger correction before pushing the downside. Okay, so what I did, I'm already the seller, so I took this sell over there, and I am the seller already. Put my trades on break even. We'll see how that will develops. And those who are not in the trade, come on. Those who are not in the trade, just wait for the correction. Okay, wait for the correction, take the trade, and follow those corrections. Okay, just follow it. Get in, put it on break even, and enjoy your profit growth. Pound chief, same there. There's the nice opportunity making. So watch there on lower time frame for the flags and follow them. Okay, so flags, follow them, flags, follow them, flags, follow them. Okay, all the time just follow your flags. How far? All the way back to the trend line at least, and this is where you will take your profit off. Okay, it's a nice trade. I think we can take a nice money over there on the pound chief, especially in the upcoming week. So put it on your watch list. Watch it also. Are you still with me, guys? Are you there? Everything works fine. Everything clear for now? Let me know. Are you still with me? So let's continue. Pound cat, same there. Okay, so this one to keep on dragging lower. So watch for the sell stops. Okay, there are a lot of good setups. So don't waste your time with the setups that are not going, that are not moving. Okay, just stick to the setups that are going nicely and giving you the good risk to reward ratio. Okay. Pound New Zealand pushing lower, so watch for the sell stops, keep on dragging lower. Back at this low, it's what you can have. This is the biggest target, but yeah, first follow those setups. Sell stops is what you will follow, at least in 1 hour. So there, what you can have a little bit higher, give your running flat and continuation to the downside. Okay, so easy. There's the bigger one, okay, and then went lower. So this is the smaller one, which you keep on dragging. This is the lower time frame correction. So watch it. Pound USD. This could also go higher. Okay, this could be the correction. These two going higher, so correction going higher. This will be the running flat, and then go to the upside, breaking that up, and then to reverse the downside. Okay, so this is what you can have. Keep an eye on it. Pound USD is the only pair that could be tradable for a buy. The other pound pairs are for the sell. Okay, the others are for the sell. So keep your eyes on pound yen. Same there. Watch for sell stops. Take the trades. Follow it all the way down. Canadian, I think it will give you the bigger correction. Okay, so something like 1, 2, 3, some flat there in the middle, pushing all the way back to the upside. Okay, so probably stay away from it until it's moving sideways for a sideways movement. Okay, so ignore it, then go for the buy, then we'll be a sellers. Chief, this one to keep on dragging lower. Okay, so follow the sell stops. Chief yen, still sell, okay, but no sell stop at the moment. Okay, so this could be a nice sell stop, so watch it all the way down. This could be a nice trade also. If Nokian, okay, so it was the perfect trade from the top. Okay, so some of you took it from the top, you did a good job, and that's it. So the others, what we can do is, yeah, still watch for the sideways, take the trade. Okay, so it can break down. So keep your eyes on. USD cat, same there. It's setting up for a nice sell. So yeah, why not to take it? Okay. So as you can see, there are a lot of setups that are almost ready. So we have to put them on the watch list and watch them closely. Okay, only the way like that we will make some money. And especially the setups, the bigger time frame setups are preparing that this is really good. Okay, so the big money is waiting there and we have to take it. Okay, and we have to take it. So yeah, follow the flags, sell, sell, sell. How far it can basically break this low. Okay, so this is how far it can go if it starts aggressively. Okay, breaking this low is quite possible if this momentum will start aggressively. So we'll see. We have to take the sell and then we'll decide. If the momentum will die out, we'll take off the profit. USDN is struggling now. What we are having over there, first I thought that this is for the buy. Now we are getting some complications, and what the chart is trying to do is it is complicating. Okay, so this can go back low, back at a low, breaking this low and then going higher, and then we'll have again the problems. Okay, so if this goes lower, breaking that low, then it will go high, breaking this top, it will go low, break those tops again and bottoms again, and then going to the upside. So it's kind of confusing one. So USDN, it's not tradable for me until it will give me the buy stop. So what we are doing, we are only taking the buy setups. Okay, so why we are taking the buy stops? Because this daily is completed. Okay, as you can see, this structure, this running flat is completed for me, and a nice wave basically waiting over there on us. Okay, so to tag this high, let me just back over there, and this is the trade that we are watching and wanted to take. Okay, there is the nice money, it will be the fast movement, fast money, and we all should be in this buy. That's the reason why we are ignoring the sells. Okay, we are ignoring the sells, but we just have to figure it out. We need more details, more candles to appear before we will decide what is it doing exactly. Okay, but definitely we will ignore the sell stops. Sell stop, it's not like that. Chief, yeah, there is some kind of the contracting flat. We will go down. Okay, so this is it. This is the chart, and this to keep on pushing lower. Can I take sell? Yes, of course. Wait for sideways, take the sell, and take off your profit. Okay, so small sell is there waiting on you. When the market will open, wait for this 5 hours, maybe 4 hours, and then go for this sell. Okay, this is the 15-minute flag which will appear over there, and then you can go for the sell. Okay, it's a good trade. Why not to take it? Okay, money is waiting. You can go all the way back to the time. Okay, so keep your eyes on. Use the Mexican. This is gonna be the bigger correction. Okay, so these two keep on pushing a little bit lower, and then the wave will still be to the upside. Okay, so currently I'm not watching for the buy, not even for the sell, so ignore it for now. Not tradable for us. USDC it gives us a nice flag over there. Keep on pushing lower. So how far it can go? It can keep pushing. Okay, it can keep on pushing lower. So follow the sell stops over there. Follow it. Silver. Let's see. There was the buy stop, but those who took the buy, take off your profit. Take off your profit and wait for this flag, and you can go for one more buy maybe, and take off your profit around the tunnel. Gold gives a nice running flat on Friday. Okay, so there was the running flat, which is completed. So expanded flat, which is completed, going higher, and that's it. Okay, so if you took this trade, you did well done. and now you have to remove your profit. Okay, so I do recommend you taking off your profit because this will go to downside. Okay, so I still see that the gold will go for one more low. Okay, one more low, it's possible, and it can appear really fast. Are you still with me, guys? You are really quiet. You guys are really quiet. So just feel free to use the chat. So let's go. Sugar, sugar to the drag lower. Okay, so it can go make no high, but the wave is to the downside. Okay, so the wave is to the downside. This could give us a big, huge running flat, and then it will go to the upside. Okay, so one more low, one more wave to the upside. What we can do, yeah, we can go for the sell all the way back to 10 line. This is the maximum we'll get out of it. Oil, it's setting up with the big sell. Okay, big sell, it's setting up. Can you see these guys? Okay, so this, and this is running flat, and one more break lower. Okay, this is what you can have. Same there with the UK oil. Okay, so UK oil, it's setting up with a nice running flat and then one more low. Okay, so some of you took a buy over there. There was the flag. Okay, this is where I have take the buy, went up. So if you took a buy again there or there, doesn't matter where, it's not moving aggressively, so put your trade on the break even, it's even better. Okay, so don't hold it if trade is not going. And you'll see now this one how it goes. Struggling, and then it can aggressively push the downside there, where you want to be in the trade. US 30, these two sideways and then going higher. Okay, so you can see one more high. SP 500, this one is completing its movement and to go to the downside. Don't go for the buy. Okay, don't buy at the top. You always need to be a seller and wait for the sell stops. I didn't mean that you have to immediately sell it. You have to wait for the sell stop and then go for this sell. Okay, for this one and then to break lower. Daily, as you can see that we are at the all-time high. Diversion is playing out over there, so at any time soon we will see a nice break to the downside. Okay, so this will go lower, at least for something like that, and then it can continuously push it higher. Okay, so this movement, it's a big movement, so wait for it and go for it. Easy stuff. German 30, yep, it's setting up for the buy. Going higher, one more high, and then we'll go for the sell. You want to go for the buy, wait for the buy stop, take it, and take off your profit. UK 100, this will go lower. I don't recommend you buy stops. It doesn't matter if it will appear. Okay, just simply ignore it. Only wait for the sell stops. Nasdaq 100, the buy is completed, so this is it. Running flat everywhere. How to recognize it and where running flat appear? Running flat can appear everywhere. Okay, there is no rule where it can appear. It only cannot appear at the top or on the 5-wave structure. Okay, in the 5th wave it cannot appear, but in the other waves it can appear. So running flat, it's really hard to recognize, and it's fast. Okay, so you need to train to understand it. Okay, so usually it's impulsive movement, and then we have 1 2 3. This is the running flat. Okay, and then it goes for one more high and then it drops. Okay, so keep an eye, watch this and backtest it. Okay, so you need to train your eyes so you will be able to recognize this on the right time. So this is it. Those who took the Nasdaq 100 buy from there, take off your profit slowly. That's gonna drop. That's gonna drop really fast. Okay, it may start there, one more high, drop, one more high, and then it will drop lower. You are welcome. So this is it, everything from the Forex and indices and commodities. So crypto, who is there for crypto? Where are those crypto guys? Are you still there? Are you guys ready to have a look on the crypto? Crypto, it's struggling those days. Bitcoin, it's giving us some diversion. Okay, so as you can see, we are having some diversion, and this wave will not last longer. Greetings also to you. So who is there? Where are the crypto guys? Come on. Okay, don't sleep now. We came to the cryptos. So let's see. I think those who are trading on the spot, they have to be especially careful now. Why? Because the Bitcoin can turn down at any time soon. Okay, so at any time soon we can see the sell there on the Bitcoin. And that's the reason why you have to be careful. Okay, being careful. Okay, so can it go back at the top? Yes, possible, but not yet. Okay, with not that kind of the momentum. Okay, so it's struggling there. What I do anticipate is first to take this high. Then we have to decide. Okay, so in this movement, one will come back to this high. We'll decide will this drop to downside or will it drag higher. Okay, so there is where we'll have a decision or where we'll decide. But for now, this could be dangerous. Okay, so there is some kind of the sell which is forming over there. Okay, so as you can see, there is some sell in the making on the 1 hour. We have a reaction and we have a flag for sell. Okay, so be careful. If it starts to pushing lower, you have to close there. Those who are the buyers of the Bitcoin. Okay. We have a question. Is this the free Sunday webinar? Because YouTube channel says waiting for. Wait a minute. Yes, this is the free Sunday webinar. But for YouTube, I don't know what is going on. Seems that YouTube is having some problems. It's been working a few weeks ago, but now we are having some problems. Probably, basically, YouTube is having. Because once I started the stream, there was some errors. It didn't want to go live and so on. So they will fix it. Okay, they will fix it. So skip the YouTube. Forget on the YouTube for now. Okay, so guys, this is the Bitcoin. What it can do. This can break down. Okay, up and break down to back to 20k. Okay, so back to 20k. This will be really good. So especially if you watch the weekly. Weekly has all possibilities that this will go lower. Daily, let me bring the daily. Okay, so this is the nice possibilities. 1, 2, 3, back to 20k, and then there will be a buyers again. Okay, so huge correction there is developing on the Bitcoin. And those who are leverage traders, we will be selling Bitcoin all the way down to 20k, and then we'll be buying from the 20k. Okay, so easy stuff and easy plan. We will be just following the sell stops all the way down. Okay, those who are trading on the spot, for you, I don't have the setups. Okay, there are not a lot of setups for you guys who are trading on the spot. Okay, because at any time soon market can turn. Spots are really difficult at the moment for spot trading, and I don't see the setups. But if we go on the leverage, if we see the leverage, so yeah, leverage, you can find some opportunities. This XRP going higher, going lower, and then break up, and then still will go downside. Okay, Bitcoin will also go lower. You know that. Litecoin, let me move on the lower time frame. Litecoin can extend for one more high. Okay, so there's the running flat. This can extend for one more high, break the top, and then will turn totally to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye there. ETC, Ethereum Classic. So what we can have, If this starts to pushing lower, then there it will be nice to sell. If it breaks to the up, then yeah, we are having a nice buy over there. .USD, it's setting up the flag. Okay, so keep an eye there. Watch for this flag to break out. Okay, this flag to break out, and yeah, this is the opportunity. Nice running flat, which is developing, and keep an eye. Keep an eye there for this move to the upside. Matic. This one will probably give us the flat and turning point. Okay, so up, down, up, giving you the flat, and then going lower. Can it goes higher? I don't think so. Okay, so there's no momentum yet. There's not even a flag for the buy, so I don't see anything for now. Nano USDT, yeah, we'll watch it just in a couple of seconds. Audio USDT. This one is struggling there now. This is not good, so let them do whatever it wants to do. The correction can get bigger and then going higher. BZRX. This one is also having a nice earning flat over there, so let's do whatever it wants to do, and this is the buy. Ethereum USD, non-tradable for me. It's gonna go lower probably. Okay, so Ethereum USD can push lower. Okay, so it can drag lower. This is the this will be the setup. CLR seller network going higher, same there. Okay, so there are a lot of running flats is what we are having currently on the crypto. Okay, on the crypto there are a lot of running flats which are trying to extend market for one more buy. Rune, this to keep on pushing higher. Okay, so watch for the buy stops. H bar, Hedra, this one to keep on pushing higher, so watch for the buy stops. Keep your eyes on to break this top. Okay, this is what I can see. OMG USDT, this one to correct and one more high, breaking the top, same there. Phil USDT, same behavior there. Let's see what is it trying to do, and then one more high. And USDT already went up higher, so if you were buyer from there, it doesn't matter. You have to take off your profit. Okay, so take it off. Take your profit off. That ain't gonna go lower. So the other crypto, what they are having, the patterns like this. What they are doing, they are struggling. They're like this over there. Okay, and what they will do, they will go to the upside. So keep your eyes. Watch it. ASM USDT. Yeah, this one is getting confusing one, so this could be the sell, this to break, correct, and then going lower. Okay, so non-tradable. I'll take it. ADA USDT, non-tradable. ADA can turn. Okay, so this can just back up and then it will go lower, so non-tradable. CRE, greetings also to you. CRE also push higher. It's already going, so this is late for you. 1 inch, this one will go lower as it looks like. Okay, so it break down, it's correcting now, so this could easily go back at the low, so keep your eyes there. 1 inch can drag lower. Just watch this 1 hour correction over there. So let it go back at the top, giving you the flag, and then take the trade. Okay, so this is what you can have there during the week, and then it will continue its way to the downside. Okay, it could be a nice trade, so nice profit. I think if Bitcoin go red, then all will go red. Just my feeling for whatever. Yes, Bitcoin is the leading point. Okay, so what the Bitcoin will does, everyone will follow. Okay, the altcoins will follow. So we have to keep an eye. But I don't see the Bitcoin is red yet. I think there is small leg which needs to extend before, but we'll see. Okay, if we'll find the sell stop, if we'll get the sell stop, we'll take it. We have to take it. Okay, nothing there. Okay, so XLM. This one is trying to give you some flag, going one more high, giving you the running flat maybe there. Sorry, contracting and then going lower. Not available for me. SRM, this one to go lower. Okay, so this is it. This is all from the correction, and let these two stay there and then keep on pushing lower. Okay, so keep your eyes there. LIT USDT. If this spikes to the upside, complete the pattern, then reverse. RLC, nothing there. Leave them. Zcash. Zcash, I think there is the nice running flat. Okay, so this is the nice running flat, which will push it for one more high, break the top, and then reverse the downside. Okay, so let's see how this is gonna develop. Okay, so let's see how this is gonna develop. It's gonna be a nice trade maybe for quick money. Okay. SKL, nothing there. This running flat is completed, and now we are trying to reverse, so nothing yet there. We'll go to the downside, but not yet. TRB, nothing. Ocean, nothing yet. FLM USD, nothing there. Okay, so this is too slow to push higher. Okay, so don't play with those who are not going. Nothing there also. So this is it. This is the most of them. Okay, we will basically follow the Bitcoin. We'll see what the Bitcoin is trying to do. Ethereum, there is the same. Okay, so Ethereum BUSD will go lower probably. Sushi, okay, so sushi, what it's trying to do? Going higher, going lower, going higher, giving you the running flat, and then boom, will go lower. Okay, so this is it. There was one buy stop. It went really nicely, really amazingly. Okay, so this one exploded 50%. Okay, so 50%, and now you cannot do anything. It's gone. So yeah, people are asking for Nano USDT. I think that I have that one. I don't have it, but I will add it. So Nano, what is it doing? This can easily start pushing lower. Okay, so this can easily start on pushing lower. Be careful. This move to up here. Okay, so don't play too much with the buy. If the sell appears, I would rather take it. Okay, so I would love to take it. So this is it. If you guys have any questions from the crypto, let me know. I will watch the chart. There are too many charts to watch them one by one. Okay, so I don't want to waste too much time for watching charts that are not ready. Okay, so some of them are not even close to be ready. So let's see, guys, what you are watching. Do you have any questions? Did you do gold and silver and I missed it? I can watch it later. It must have been before. Yes, we already have passed the gold and silver. Okay, so we already passed the gold and silver. But I can quickly show you. Okay, so nothing is there basically. Okay, this is still in the correction. Okay, it's still correcting, wave to the downside. Okay, so wait for the sell stops. Okay, watch for the sell stops, let it do whatever it wants to do over there, and then consider selling it. Same there with the gold. This was the silver, sorry. And the gold is also trying to push higher. I don't see this to continuously pushing higher, at least not yet. If it gives you any correction, then yes, then you can consider taking the buy. But what I do recommend, or what I do see is this one selling over there. Okay, so watch it. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? No questions. So amazing. Do you have third eye master? How can you see these things? I'm super amazed. Those are just the patterns, okay? it's the it's some kind of the third eye. Basically, this is the third eye because if you recognize and if you trained your eyes, then you will be able to see those patterns about which I'm talking about already. May I ask you if you can buy silver and gold where you are? What did you mean exactly? Where to buy or on which price to buy, or what did you mean exactly? Did you cover Shiba by chance? No, I will watch it. We can have a quick look on the Shibas. Just let me know Shiba USDT or Shiba Bitcoin. Just type in so we will have a look. I will add the chart for you and we will have a quick look on it. No, I'm not buying gold and silver physically. That's not making sense. At least not yet, okay? A session, it's not yet there, so don't worry. We don't need to buy it physically. Yeah, physically there is always something like this. $2. I think it's the same everywhere. No, I'm not buying it at the moment, so I'm not worried yet. Okay, so you don't need to be afraid of. Yeah, but if you want, then there is always a premium which you will have to pay. Okay, but if you're buying the silver or gold from the local stores or how to call them, they are usually are not offering you with the good prices. Okay, they are always having some funny prices which are not realistic. So you have to find a good store basically where you will buy the silver and gold. Yeah, because you can buy it cheaper because no one wants to sell it. That's the reason. No one wants to sell it. They will sell it only if someone will pay more than it is worth. Okay, so you will do the same probably. Okay, Maria is saying thank you for web. See you in Slack. Have a nice evening. Yep, see you in the Slack. So we will have a discussion there. We'll watch for the setups. There are some good setups also, and yeah, this is it. Yeah, it's even plus than $3, more than $3. Okay, so one guy is asking for the Shiba. Shiba. Come on. Sheep. There's a nice cell which is in the making. Okay, so this will go lower. Be aware now what this is trying to do. If this goes for the flat, yeah, then there will be a nice sell over there. Okay, keep an eye there. UCAF. Okay, this is for the UCAF user. He's asking for the Shiba USDT, and here's the answer. It can go easily in the flat. If the flat will appear, then it will confirm the sell, and we will have to sell it. Okay, especially if you are leverage trader on it, then there will be a nice opportunity. Okay, so this is it. I hope that I have answered all the questions. So next Sunday we are here again. You will be able to ask questions, so don't feel ashamed, don't feel worried or scared. Just feel free to ask anything. Do not hesitate. And that's it. Okay, so if you were happy with the webinar, please share it with others. There are many people out there which are still struggling and trying to understand the market behavior, so share with them. Okay, so share the link and you may help someone who is struggling also. And what I'm really happy is that I'm getting a really good and positive feedback from you guys that are watching, because I can see that you are improving your knowledge. And yeah, this is it. I'm really happy because this is the purpose of that webinar. I would love you to see that you are improving. Okay. Okay.